Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. Quite a lot number of people that are using Photoshop are not aware that different workspaces are available in Photoshop, and different workspace has to do with different things you want to do entirely. Like for instance, you want to do a photography, it is advisable to use a photographic workspace. You want to design, it is advisable to use a default essential settings. In this tutorial, if you want to create a printing or you want to paint an artwork, consider to watch this video and see how to switch from your default Photoshop essential setting workspace to digital art printing workspace for easy workflow. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Photoshop like this, then come to the top right here, go ahead and click on window, then go to workspace right here, and then you have different workspace right here. So what we are interested in right here is painting. Go ahead and click on painting. So when you click on painting, it's going to give you different interface, just like what you see right here. You can see you have your brushes right here, which allow you to quickly select any brush from these sections right here. Instead of you going all through the tools right here and be looking for brushes, then here you have different brush presets right here. You can easily open any of this particular folder right here to pick any of the brush you want to use right here, just like so. Then from the top right here, you have your color lab right here. You have your RGB, you have your CMYK color pattern right here. Then you can go to navigator right here. You have your preview navigator, which allow you to zoom in or zoom out as the case may be, as the workflow is in progress, just like so. Then you have different things right there. Then you can come down below right here where you have your channel, and then you have your part from the top right here, and then it's that simple. Then you have another tools right here, which is library. You have here you have presets to, then here you have close source, and here you have brush setting, and you have history as far as your Photoshop is concerned. Then once you are done with whatever you want to print, then you have your layers right here. So once you are done with whatever you want to print as far as this setting workspace is concerned, you can decide to switch back to your normal Photoshop workflow. For that, go back to window right here, go to workspace, and then return back to essential default. And then you will be back to your essential Photoshop default right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.